Hey there, auto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Jaecoo J7, a bold and modern compact SUV that's making waves in the automotive world. Before watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. With its striking design, innovative features, and versatile performance, this SUV is positioning itself as a strong contender in the competitive SUV market. So what makes the Jaecoo J7 stand out? Let's find out. The Jaecoo J7 is an SUV that turns heads with its commanding presence and refined design. From every angle, it's clear this vehicle was crafted with a sense of style and purpose. From the side, you'll notice its muscular body lines, floating roof design, and functional roof rails. The 19-inch alloy wheels paired with chunky tires complete the SUV's sporty and adventurous look. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels both high-tech and high-end. The 2025 Jaecoo J7 combines premium materials with a smart, driver-focused layout. The seats are upholstered in perforated leather with contrast stitching, offering both comfort and style. The cabin is accented with soft-touch materials and customizable ambient lighting, creating a luxurious atmosphere. Now, let's talk tech. The 2025 Jaecoo J7 is packed with cutting-edge features, starting with this impressive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's quick, responsive, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a fully digital driver display that keeps all your key info front and center. The Jaecoo J7 isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that delivers 227 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And if you love adventure, the all-wheel drive system is ready for anything. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling off-road trails, the J7 provides confidence and control. The 2025 Jaecoo J7 combines bold styling, advanced technology, and versatile performance to create a compact SUV that's ready to take on the competition. And with a starting price rumored to be around $30,000, it's also an incredible value for everything it offers. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car content.